Hi everyone, I just want to take a quick second to give more detail on how to access and set up your free Prezi account. This is the home screen and you can just go to Prezi.com to get to this site. Up here on the right you click Get Started. After you click Get Started, what you'll see are three options, and what you want to do is you're on individual, you want to go down to the bottom where it says for students and teachers, and you want to click Learn More. And from here you want to click on the Edu Standard Basics on a Budget. This will allow you to have a free account. Now here it will ask you to submit your email address. You type in, submit your email address, and then it will send you a code once it's verified that you're actually a student. And that is how you set up a free education Prezi account.